What's up my bees, and welcome back to another transformation video on my beautiful model slash client hair, from her natural long beautiful thick hair to this beautiful curly long black luscious hair. This hair is from Recool virgin human hair from Aliexpress. All the information to this hair I'll put it in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out, as I completely forgot to show you guys me unboxing this hair. Literally, it was my client that reminded me to unbox this hair. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off this hair by just rolling the hair down and go ahead with the weave. There's nothing much basic to explain. You guys can just see everything that I did, and I hope you can follow along. And I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys legit enjoy watching the video, and make sure you share it and like if you enjoyed watching it, and make sure you subscribe. That's the most important part. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bar, okay, so you see our weekly videos. Alright, thank you so much guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.